Hello, my name is Jim Carlson. I'm the developer of MiniLaTeX, an app for creating, editing, and publishing LaTeX documents on the web. MiniLaTeX is fast, there's no setup involved, you just press a button to make a new document and start typing. Let me show you how it's done. Here we are at the sign-in page, minilatex.lamdera.app. I'm going to sign in. I'm going to go to the upper left here where there's a small button, New. I'll click on that. I'll enter a title, Demo, create document, and now I've got a blank page so I can start typing. Section Trig. Perhaps I'm creating some class notes for a trig class. And now I'm going to type a little text and a formula. Pythagoras says $a squared plus b squared equals c squared, new $, and when I close it with the final $, the formula is instantly rendered. Now you may have noticed that I'm not the world's greatest typist, so let's look at a prearranged demo here. I've got my trig formula right here, and I've got an equation from a calculus class using display math mode. Let's see what happens when I go in to edit it. I'll change the upper limit of integration to an A, and you see that was rendered immediately. I'll change the right-hand side so that we have correct mathematics, and that, whoops, something happened there. And that is rendered correctly as well. Notice below that in section 3, theorems, there is a theorem environment. There's a label that creates a cross-reference. The label is called prime. And there's an equation inside the theorem environment. Down below, we use the cross-reference right here, and it correctly numbers it. Notice that it's very easy to place images in MiniLaTeX. Here's the macro for doing that. It has 3 arguments: the URL for the image or its web address, a caption, 2 frequency beats, and some information about its placement and how big it should be. Another feature of MiniLaTeX is that you can link from one document to another. In the case at hand, the document is wave packets. I'll press that. And here we still are in edit mode. On the left-hand window, you see the source text. On the right-hand, you see the rendered text with equations, images, etc. Now, notice that at the top, we have this little heading, Quantum Field Theory. I'm going to go into Browse mode, and we'll click on that, and that brings up a whole set of lecture notes on quantum theory. On the left-hand column, we now see a table of contents, and we can click on it to access the various sections of the document. So MiniLaTeX can create not only short notes for your classes, but whole class notes, and by exporting these to standard LaTeX, you can create a PDF of a book. You can use the PDF button down here as well. So there are many, many ways that you can create documents with MiniLaTeX. So that's the end of the demo. I'd just like to draw your attention to 2 things in closing. One is the sign-in screen. Here it is once again. There are 4 tabs there: feedback, news, frequently asked questions, and welcome, which is what you'll see when you try to sign in. The most important message of all is given by this slide, which is made with MiniLaTeX in its presentation mode, and that is sign up and give MiniLaTeX a try. You can use the suggestions button down below to give me feedback, report any bugs, comment on features that you think it needs, and so forth. And I look forward with your help to making this into a great app that we can all use to produce beautiful content easily. Thanks so much. Bye.